Your Gmail inbox contains some of the most private information you have. Work files, financial documents, family conversations, and Google's newer Smart and Gemini features can use your email content to power things like suggestions, summaries, and cross-app features when certain settings are enabled. The problem is, most people don't remember ever turning those on. So in the next few minutes, we're going to check the exact 2 toggles on desktop and mobile so you can decide. So what happened? In late 2025, there was a wave of headlines and viral postings claimed that Google was using Gmail to train Gemini. Google publicly pushed back on that framing, but here's the part that matters either way. Gmail has smart features settings that control how much your email content is used to deliver features inside Gmail and across other Google products. Those switches are real and they're easy to miss. You should know where they are. So let's go find them right now. There are 2 settings you need to check. The first is called Smart Features and Personalization, and this controls the smart and AI features inside Gmail. The second is called Smart Features and Personalization in other Google products. And depending on your account type, you might see it labeled as Google Workplace Smart Features. They sound almost identical, and that's part of the problem. They're separate toggles. They control different things. And you need to turn off both if you want to fully opt out of this. On desktop, open Gmail and click the gear icon in the top right. Click See All Settings and stay on the General tab. Don't go anywhere else. Now scroll down until you see Smart Features and Personalization. If it's enabled on your account, you'll see it turned on here. Switch it off. Now here's the one thing that most people miss. Just below that first toggle, sometimes you have to scroll slightly. There's a second setting, Smart Features and Personalization in other Google products, or Google Workplace Smart Features, depending on your account. This one controls whether Gmail data helps power features across other Google services. Things like extracting events into calendars, certain cross-product suggestions, and newer AI-assisted features that use your workspace context. Turn that one off too. Once both are off, scroll to the bottom and hit Save Changes, and Gmail will reload. That's for desktop. 2 toggles, 1 save. On mobile, the path can look a little different depending on iPhone versus Android, of course, and your account type. Here are 2 reliable ways to find them though. Option 1, open the Gmail app and tap your profile icon at the top right, and then tap Manage Your Google Account. Go to Data and Privacy and use the search to look for Smart Features. Option 2, in Gmail, open the main menu, go to Settings, then look for Smart Features and Personalization. Either way, you're looking for the same 2 toggles to turn both of them off. So what Google's actually saying about all this? I want to give you a fair picture because some of the early headlines were more alarming than the story maybe warrants. Google's public position is that they are not using your Gmail content to train global Gemini models in the way a lot of the viral headlines implied. But here's what pushed me to shut it off. The moment you go looking for the newer AI features, the trade-off feels like, sure, you can have all this AI, but you're also giving us permission to use all of your Gmail content. And that's in the settings. I didn't see anything that clearly reduced that fear for me. It wasn't, oh, only these specific emails for this one feature. It felt broad. So even if you fully trust Google's intent, the real issue is consent and clarity. These switches should be obvious, and they aren't. And yes, Google has faced real skepticism on this, including legal complaints touching on similar concerns. So they're not operating from a position of full public trust here. The core criticism is still the same. These settings are easy to miss, split across multiple toggles, and most users have no idea that they were consenting to any of it in the first place. That's the legitimate concern, regardless of exactly what the data was being used for. So what do you actually lose if you turn this stuff off? Smart Compose, for one thing. That's the predictive text as you type feature. That'll go away. Smart Reply Suggestions, automatic inbox categorization, those travel and package summary cards, and some newer Gemini powered or AI assisted features that rely on this smart processing. For a lot of people, those are genuinely useful. And if you're using Gmail for low stakes personal email, you might decide the trade-off is worth it. But if you're handling anything sensitive, legal documents, medical information, financial records, confidential work communications, I'd turn these off without much hesitation at all. The features aren't worth the exposure. And honestly, even if Google's intentions are exactly what they say they are, the defaults here don't feel like they were set up with your privacy in mind. They feel set up for Google's convenience and benefit. So back to the question I asked at the top. Are those features still running on your account right now? Now you know how to find out. It takes about 2 minutes, so go and check. If you found this useful, please hit the like button. It genuinely helps my channel reach more people. And if you're not subscribed yet, please do, because I cover AI and privacy stuff like this all the time. And do me a favor, share this with someone who uses Gmail every day. Most people have no idea that these settings exist. Thanks. See you in the next one.